Let's learn how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. If you've ever wanted to hide a chat without deleting it but didn't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you won't have that problem. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. This tutorial applies to both iPhone and Android. Once Instagram is open, the next thing you need to do is open the page where all your chats are. You can do this by clicking on the chats icon located in the top right corner of the screen. When the page with all the chats opens, you need to find the chat you want to hide. Once you've found it, enter the chat by clicking on it. After entering the chat, the next thing you need to click on is the name of the person with whom the chat is. Their name is at the top of the page, but it's important to click on the name, not the profile picture. When you click on the name, a page with more options will open, but only one option is important for this tutorial. You'll find this option by clicking on the three dots. When you click on the three dots, a small menu with three options will open: block, report, and restrict. You need to click on the first option, which is restrict. When you click on it, a question will pop up asking if you are sure. You can also read there that when you confirm, the chat will move to requests. If you want to confirm, click on the blue restrict button, and you will have successfully hidden the chat on Instagram. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.